Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see a moonscape. So first thing, draw a circle with any color you like. Dab around the circle in the color you've chosen. Make sure to add a lot of water so that the lines are not visible after it dries up. Take another color and blend it well. You can choose the same color palette or anything that goes well with it. Towards the end, I like to put a darker color. This color is one of my favorite colors from this palette. Once it's a little dry, you can add a little more paint to make it darker. Another thing which you can do is take some gold paint and dab it around here and there. Or else you can even splatter it around like I have done here. You can do any color you like. You can also add in highlights on the moon. For the final step, add a few trees. To learn how to paint these trees, check out my previous videos. And if you like to learn something more, drop in the comments below. Add in a few more trees on the other side. All the products used in this video are down in the description box. Don't forget to like. Press the bell button so that you get a notification every time I post online. Happy painting! See you soon!